So welcome students. So in this question you're asked to find limit x tends to infinity x minus 3 by x plus 2 power x. So in this question, we have two standard limits which relates to this question. One is limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by x power x is equal to e, and limit something tends to 0 1 plus x whole power 1 by x is also equal to e. These are the two standard limits where you have the form 1 power infinity, because on standard substitution infinity by infinity is 1 power infinity. This is of the form 1 power infinity. So you just need to try to convert it into this form or this form. So let us try to do that. So limit x tends to infinity. So what I do is x minus 3 can be written as x plus 2 minus 5, right? That is 1 minus 5 by x plus 2 whole power x. Now as x tends to infinity, x plus 2 also tends to infinity. X plus 2 also tends to infinity. So this implies limit x plus 2 by 5 tends to infinity. X plus 2 by 5 tends to infinity. So you have 1 minus of 1 by x plus 2 by 5, right? Whole power x. So if you have 1 plus x whole power, 1 plus 1 by x whole power x, you have e. But here you have minus. So I'll take this as plus and I'll take a minus here. So this also tends to minus infinity. It tends to minus infinity, right? So you should have exactly the same thing in the power. Then the power will be, then the value of the limit will be equal to e. So you have, if you take this as t, so limit t tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by t whole power t whole power x by t, that is equal to, so this becomes e. So e power limit x tends to infinity, you have x by minus x plus 2 by 5 goes up. So x by x plus 2 as x tends to infinity becomes 1. So you have e power minus 5 as the answer. Thank you.